Welcome. In this video, we'll show you how to add a driver to your Tesla app and customize their access. As of December 2025, Tesla's app makes it easy to share your vehicle with family and friends, offering various permission levels for a secure and personalized experience. Adding a driver allows multiple users to access your Tesla securely, with options ranging from full access to restricted modes like valet or teen safe settings. You must be the primary account holder, and the secondary user must have a Tesla account. You must be the primary account holder, and the secondary user must have a Tesla account. Before you start, make sure you're the primary account owner of the Tesla. Ensure that both your Tesla and your smartphone are connected to the internet. Open the Tesla app on your phone. You need to have the latest version installed to access all the newest features. If you don't have the latest version installed, make sure to go to the App Store and update your app. From the main screen, tap on your vehicle's icon to proceed. Once you've selected your vehicle in the Tesla app, you'll see the main control screen with options like range, climate, and charging. Navigate to the Controls menu from the main screen. This is where you'll find various vehicle control options. Then look for driver profiles or share access in the controls. The exact wording may vary slightly depending on your app version. This is where you'll find the options to add, manage, and remove drivers. It is very important to remember that your Tesla needs to be connected to the internet to update and sync settings. To add a new driver, start by tapping the Add Driver button on the driver's screen. You'll see a form where you enter the new driver's email address or phone number associated with their Tesla account. It's important that the new driver already has a Tesla account set up. If they don't have one, they can easily create it during the invitation process. After entering their information, send the invitation link from the app. The new driver will receive the invitation and need to accept it through their own Tesla app to complete the process. After the driver accepts the invitation, you can set their permissions. Full access grants complete control over the vehicle, including driving, charging, and settings adjustments. Driver access allows driving, but restricts advanced features like software updates and diagnostics. The app has made many improvements since its initial rollout in 2020, with app version 5.0 introducing AI-enhanced permissions and biometric integration. Tesla offers specialized modes for specific situations. Valet mode limits speed, disables certain features, and requires a PIN for exit. Teen mode, a 2025 update, restricts speed and acceleration, sets curfews, and provides parental notifications. Take advantage of custom permissions to define granular rules, such as geofencing or usage limits. For example, you can restrict driving during school hours. Once you've added drivers, you can edit their permissions at any time through the Tesla app. This allows you to adjust access levels based on changing needs or circumstances. The app also provides detailed usage logs, showing you exactly who drove the vehicle and when. This transparency helps you monitor usage and ensure accountability. If needed, you can revoke access instantly from the app, giving you complete control over who can use your Tesla and how they interact with it. According to Tesla's 2025 Q3 report, 78% of surveyed users have added at least one additional driver, with 45% using restricted modes for enhanced safety. Tesla employs robust security measures to protect your vehicle's access. End-to-end encryption ensures all data transmitted between your app and the vehicle is securely scrambled, preventing unauthorized interception. Additionally, two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of protection by requiring a secondary verification method beyond just your password. Looking ahead, Tesla is developing AI-driven permissions that adapt to user behavior. Using machine learning algorithms, the system can automatically adjust access levels based on patterns like driving habits, time of day, or location, providing a more personalized and intelligent approach to vehicle sharing. Another exciting development is blockchain-based key management, which could make digital keys even more secure and tamper-proof. Meanwhile, it's important to regularly monitor data logs within the app to manage how location data is shared, ensuring your privacy preferences are maintained. That's it. Now you know how to safely and easily share your Tesla with others. With these security features and future innovations, Tesla continues to make vehicle sharing both convenient and secure.